G'day. Today we're going to max out the RAM in this Mac Plus. I've got 4 1MB sticks, which is going to give this thing a bit more performance. It only has 512K in here at the moment, which isn't really enough to do anything. So this should make it a bit more usable. I'm not going to bore you with tearing it down because that's in a previous video. So I'm going to use the power of video to just make it magically happen. Oh. Huh. Oh, how do the guys do this on the YouTubes? Ah, there we go. Ready to go. Welcome to the basement. Looks like we are ready to go for our RAM swap operation. See what this puppy can do with its fully maxed out 4 meg of RAM. We've got to cut a couple of resistors, but that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. Well, that was easy. Time to sprinkle in the new RAM. All that's left to do is to snip some resistors because it's not 256K bit anymore and it's not one row anymore. So let's get rid of those. All done. Okay, before I put it all back together, I'm just going to test it out. Let's turn it on. And now would be a good time to tell you about today's sponsor, PCBWay. When it comes to your next project, you can either do it the wrong way or the PCB way. That's right, PCBWay does PCBs, but also sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, and even CNC machining. Whatever crazy idea in your head can be turned into reality at PCBWay.com. So thanks PCBWay. Okay, now it's time to really get turned on. Aha, well, that's not a very good sign. Okay, false alarm. Just turns out I had the wrong SD card in the blue SCSI. So here we are. We're good to go. And look, it's loaded back into the same screen that I had open last time I used this, which includes SimCity, which I couldn't get running because it didn't have enough RAM. So let's try that. I've connected a mouse, so we should be good to go. Yes, it's working. Oh no, I've been caught by the copy protection. I guess we're not playing it today after all. Plus, I don't have a keyboard connected, so that's going to make things difficult. Uh-oh, how do we get out of it now? Okay, I'll turn off the computer. Okay, I've restarted the Mac. Let's have a look at About the Finder. Oh, look at that. 4 whole megabytes of RAM. Awesome. So this machine is maxed out now. It can't get any more than 4 in here. Now the other thing I wanted to do, and a few people made mention of this in my last video, is that we need to adjust the screen here so it uses more of the tube. So let's do that before we button it back up. Okay, I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. The picture's slightly twisted, but I'm not touching all that stuff in behind to try and twist the yoke. It's just too much like death back there. So I'm happy with that. Let's go with it. I might just hold my head on an angle while I'm using it. Well, that was a pretty easy fix. And the best thing about this now is that it's got purple RAM, because purple's better than green RAM. And it's 4 megabytes. Not that I'll probably see a difference. The kind of apps and games I play, maybe I can start playing a few more that I couldn't play before. Well, it's been a bit of a shorter video, this one, but I'll leave you with a bit of ASMR from this disc here, your Apple tour of the Macintosh Plus. Thanks for watching.